Hello and welcome to this series of Flash tutorials. In this tutorial we will be looking at the button option of the symbol. So first I will just create a button here. I will round it up a little bit. The edges will be rounded. Okay, so this is the button I've created. I'll just select it, convert to symbol, name it button 1 or whatever name you want to give, and create a button for this. Now when I double click this, you will see that this button 1 opens up and it has 4 options in the layer. There's an up one, over, down and hit. Now up is the appearance of the button when you're just moving around, the general appearance of it. Over is the appearance of this when you hover on it. So we'll just insert the keyframe and maybe change the look of this button now. So I'll maybe just change it a little to show the changes. I'll say mouse over. Reduce the font size. Color maybe black. Justify it. This text box size can be decreased and it can be positioned on this. So this is how it will look when it's hovering or on top of this particular button. On the down, I'll again insert a keyframe and I'll write mouse down. Change maybe the color of the button. So I can just maybe make it green. And I can also change the font color. Sorry. So this is how it will look when the mouse is pressed. And then there's something called a hit. Now in the hit, again I'll insert a keyframe and maybe I draw a rectangular shape down here. I can just write spot. Yeah. This is how it's going to look like. Now just let's try and run this. So we'll just control enter. So you can see when I just roll over the mouse, this is how the mouse appears as described in the over. When I click it, this is how it looks like. This is what we had described for the down. And for the hit, you can see that this is the hotspot area of the rectangle that we created over here. This particular area becomes the hotspot for this. So rather than clicking the mouse, we can also click here and work the button. So this is a hotspot for the button. So we can just use this to maybe make hyperlinks on the web pages through Flash and various other uses.